What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Needed some gas, so thought I'd bring y'all along. Let's go. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. My day's been alright. Slept in pretty heavily this morning till about 1 p.m. So that was nice. I haven't done that in a while. I've been working pretty hard lately. Got up, did the Christmas lights around my house for my parents. Went to the store for my dad. I made that video that I posted earlier. Luckily the gas station's right next to where I was. I'll leave it recording for the filling part. So that might be nice too. I live in California. Gas right now is on the low end, $4.75 a gallon. For premium, it's over five most places. This is actually pretty good. It's been a while since I found a place that was sub 5 on any of them. Go low end. My car doesn't have turbo, so I was pretty upset the day I found out that I didn't actually need to put the top tier stuff in my car. I'd always put it in my older one because my dad had told me to, but I guess it was only because my car had turbo, but now I don't have that car, and he and I share this one. I'm just in the habit of putting 91 in, and so I pulled up one day to the gas station with him, and I was about to press 91. He was like, "Whoa, this car doesn't need it." I guess, yeah, the premium's only if your car is like turbo or eco, and this one's just standard, so you can put the low end stuff in it. Tank's about half full. Very rarely do I fill up my tank the whole way. I don't know why. It's some weird habit of mine. Yeah, I don't know what it is, and I just like fill it up halfway, or I fill it up however much I think I need to get to a place and then go in if it's like far away. I don't know, something about ripping like $60 to fill my tank is just like not something I want to do for whatever reason. But that just means that I fill up more often. I'm all over the place. Alright, well, that was just intended to be another short video. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Let me know if you like these style of videos. The two I did today, the grocery store and the gas station. You know, I'll probably try and do more of those just mixed in, because that's like I don't think I said it in the other video, but this is more so what I'm trying to do, just like real situations, you know, with a real voice. I'll still upload whispering videos, like my shoe collection one is doing very well. That was fully whispered, and I was doing the tapping and everything, so obviously people still want to see that stuff, but I'm going to keep going with, you know, the kind of stuff that I enjoy listening to when I'm trying to relax and whatnot. So yeah, just let me know in the comments. I got my first one the other day, I responded to it. Thank you, Julia. Made my day to get my first comment on the channel. And I'm up to 16 subscribers now, which is, you know, cool. It's not a huge number, but the fact that, you know, 16 people have watched these videos and been like, this is something I want to see, is pretty cool. So, thanks to those of you that are already subscribed. That was a good sound, it was alright. Yeah, thanks to those of you that are already subscribed. And if you're not, please consider doing so. I plan on continuing to make videos. So, catch you all for the next one.